Welcome to a walking tour of St Ives in Cornwall, England. St Ives is a coastal town and it's known for its beauty. And in this video, you shall enjoy the sights and the sounds of this coastal town. If you're new to this channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. And do well to subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, you are the best. And welcome, welcome, welcome. Enjoy the walking tour.
Over there, the sun's shining.
We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. We got everything here, at least to stay alive. And the time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel that we got something strong? And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise. That we I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about. Good time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise. That with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about. When it all breaks down, I'll wait for you right here. And I swear that we got nothing to fear. It's a miracle that you and I are finally here. I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise. That with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about. The last one I think about. Oh, oh, close your eyes, hear the voice within calling. This heavy load got under your skin. All in, you got the white knuckles holding on it tight. There's a heart gone out of rhythm in despair, held underwater, fine for air. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors around,
And when changes were being made, this bench was denied removal, I understand. Friendship bench, looking across the harbor. Friendship bench, looking across the harbor. Back in the day. Cobbled streets from back in the day, hundreds of years ago. And the cobbles have been kept cobbled streets. The Cornish crab sandwich. I've never had one. Ice cream and milkshakes. Guess it's busy over the summer. Should be busy over the summer, that amusement place.
Yes, it's the only one in St Ives.
Is it a big one? Looks like it.
But one was in,
One of them, what happened to it?
closed down. The chap in charge wasn't very well.
All right. So this is called the wharf?
Yeah.
So walking along the wharf. And I seem to like the pub in front, the lifeboat inn. I don't know, I loved it from the first time. I just like it. I like the golden lettering. And my lifeboat in. alleyway for the pub. So I've been fancying chips, and they are £3.50. 1950 grilled fish. So this was my day out in St Ives, Cornwall. Thank you for joining me on this walking tour of St Ives, Cornwall in England. Give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thanks for watching.